Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which will extract all the images from a PDF file. It will convert all the pages of a PDF document as a image file. So as you can see, this we are taking a very simple example right here of a PDF document. It contains 9 pages. On each page you can see there is an image. So what this script will do, it will extract all the images, it will detect all the images on each page. Let me execute the script here. You will see it will extract all the images. It will export each page of the PDF document as an image file. So this is the first image, this is the second one, this is, you can see that. So this Python script, you can run this on any PDF and it will extract all the images, export each page as an image file. So the link is given in the description. You can find out the full script. Let me show you step by step how I built this. So first of all, you do need to require some packages. So the very first package you require is the pillow package, PILLOW. So you do need to install this. The command is simple. Then you also need to install this package as well, PyMuPDF, which is a PDF processing package. And after that we will just require all the necessary packages one by one. So the pillow package here. Then we specify the image file, the output file that we are working with, PDF file. So we are specifying the path here. After that we simply open this PDF file by using this function, open function, and then we simply running a simple for loop for each page in the PDF file. So this will give the total number of pages, the length, and this for loop will run right here, and then it will extract each page. So it contains a function here which is load underscore page. So it will load each page by the index number. After that it will get the total number of images which are present on each page. So this it can detect it by using this function, which is get underscore images. And here you just need to pass this option full to true. So it will get images on the full page. After that, if the images are found, then in that case it will tell you how many images it found, and we can simply print out this message, or else there are no images are there in this page. So we can print out the else statement, and then we simply loop through all the images that it has found. Again we'll be running a simple for loop. So starting at using index 1, so we store the image, first image, and then we extract these images using the base64 code. This is the logic here. So let me just paste it. This is all that is needed. After that, that's all the source code I've given in the description of the video. So now if you run this, you will see it is saying on line number 16 there is some kind of indentation error. So all the source code is given in the description, guys. So let me just copy paste all it just to save some time. So again, if you just run this, you will see it will extract all these images from the PDF and save it inside your local machines. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.